Hello and welcome to the final part of how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now this will be a little bit longer than I would expect it, but it's worth it. So watch this video very closely and you will have to remember 2 more algorithms. Okay, so the first algorithm we're going to use is right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180, right 180. Okay, so let's begin. So we look for 2 adjacent corners, and as you can see, there is an adjacent corner, 2 adjacent corners. But if there isn't, then just do the algorithm. And if you can't possibly find any adjacent corners after that, then that's just physically impossible. I mean, I guess you can twist this and it wouldn't even matter. I don't care. So when you have 2 adjacent corners, this will be designated as the back. So we do the algorithm. Right counterclockwise, front clockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, back 180, and right 180. And that gives us the third solved side. But that still doesn't do it yet. We still have 1 more algorithm to do. And that will be left 180, top counterclockwise, back clockwise, front counterclockwise, left 180, back counterclockwise, front counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, front clockwise, top counterclockwise, and left 180. This also has a name for it. It's called the Allen, but I don't know if you want to remember it or not. I don't even want to remember. But okay, so this algorithm actually sends these 3 edge pieces in a counterclockwise location. But since if we want to solve it quickly, we want to do it clockwise. So it's pretty much the backwards way. But we're going to do the algorithm twice today. So it's going to be left 180, top counterclockwise. Oh yeah, just so you know, when you're doing the back, you might want to face the back, because if you do clockwise like this, that'll be counterclockwise. So I always think of the opposite. So it's back clockwise, front counterclockwise, left 180, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, top 180, or top counterclockwise, left 180. Still doesn't do it, but if we do it 1 more time, we get it. So and there you go. That's all there is to it. Just follow those easy, simple steps. Write down all the algorithms, remembering all the steps. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching this last part of the tutorial. Goodbye, everybody.